Hello students, we are continuing our chapter 6. Today I will explain page number 93. In this page we have given the topic more tamarind seeds. See what is the story given here. Amni is arranging 12 tamarind seeds in the form of different rectangles. Try to make more rectangles like this using 12 tamarind seeds. How many different rectangles can you make? Here Amni has 12 tamarind seeds. One rectangle, one type of rectangle she made. See, that is showing in the picture. First line 4 and 3 vertical lines. So 4 threes are 12. A type of rectangle she has made. Here we have asked to try to make more rectangles using this 12 tamarinds. How can we make another types of rectangles using these tamarinds? For that, and the next question is, if there are 15 tamarind seeds, how many rectangles can you make? In the place of 12 tamarind, if there are 15 tamarinds, how many rectangles you can make? So how can we make the group of tamarinds? I will show in another page by drawing the diagrams. These are the types of rectangles we can make using 12 tamarind seeds. See the first group, 12 tamarind seeds in a single group. We have one rectangle we can make in a single group. That means one box contains 12 tamarind seeds. This is a one type of rectangle. The another type I have made here is 6 tamarind seeds in one line and 2 lines are there. This is also a rectangle. So this is the another type of rectangle we can make using 12 tamarind seeds. So first group we made 1 into 12. That means in one group all 12 seeds are arranged in the same line. The second group we arranged 6 tamarind seeds of 2 lines and 2 6 are 12. Here the another one is third group. The third group 4 tamarind seeds in one line. In this way we made 3 lines. 4 threes are 12. So in this way we can make 3 types of groups. One is 12 tamarind seeds in one group, another one 6 lines of 6 seeds of 2 lines, another rectangle. The next one is 4 tamarind seeds of 3 lines. 4 threes are 12. Now see how many groups we made, and 15 groups. How many rectangles we can make using 15 tamarind seeds? See the next one. Here we have asked using 15 tamarind seeds how many types of rectangles we can make. See the first group, 15 tamarind seeds in a single line. This is a rectangle. The another one is 5 tamarind seeds in one line. In this way we made 3 lines. This is also another type of rectangle. So first one we can write 1 into 15, 15. The another we can write 3 lines of 15 seeds. So 3 5s are 15. So here we can make 2 types of rectangles, and using 12 tamarind seeds we can make 3 types of rectangles. Now we will see what questions are asking here regarding this topic. Using 12 tamarind seeds we made 3 types of rectangle. First one was 1 into 12 12. Next one 6 seeds of 2 lines, 2 6 are 12, and another one we made 4 tamarind seeds of 3 lines, 3 4s are 12. See students, see these are, we can take the table. 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Here 1 2 3 4 and 6 12. These are, we can say, the factors of 12. Now in this page onwards we are starting to learn about factors. The last 2 classes we learned about multiples. What are multiples? What are common multiples? How can we find the smallest common multiple? All we learned. Now this page onwards we will learn about factors. What are factors, or what is a factor? Multiple, we know that the product of two numbers, but factor means the number being multiplied are called the factors. Here see 1 and 12, we multiplied 1 and 12, we got 12 product. So here the 1 and 2 we can say the factors of 12, because when we multiply 1 by 12 we got the 12 product. So we can say 1 and 2 are the factors of 12. The same way 2 6 are 12. Here 2 and 6 are the factors of product 12 or the multiple 12. So we can say 12 is the multiple of 2 and 12 is the multiple of 6 also, and 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. When we made the third group, there were 4 tamarind seeds in 3 lines. So 3 4s are 12, means here 3 and 4 are the whole numbers. They are the factors of 12, and 12 is the product of 3 and 4 also. 12 is the product of fourth multiple of 3, and 12 is the third multiple of fourth. So now you understand what is the difference between multiple and product. Multiple means a multiple is a product of two numbers. That means 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 6, 12. So the product of 2 and 6 is 12. So that is, so 12 is the multiple. 3 4s are 12. 12 is the multiple. Now what is factor? The number being multiplied to get a product are called the factors. What is a factor? The number being multiplied. Here we are multiplying 3 and 4. We are getting 12. So 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. At the same way, when we made the rectangles of 15 tamarinds, here 1 and 5, 15, 1 into 15 is 15, 3 5s are 15. So we can say that the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now here we have asked the question. Next topic is coloring the grid. Coloring the grid. In the grid here a rectangle made of 20 boxes is drawn. See the first one, a grey color box rectangle they have drawn. There are 12 boxes of 10 boxes in each line. Total 12 boxes are there, 10 boxes in each line. The width of this rectangle is 2 boxes. See students, this is the width. So what is the width of this box? 2 boxes. The small length we can say width, and the long length we can call length. The long side we can call length, and the small side we can call breadth. So what is the breadth of this rectangle? 2 boxes. Here we have asked what is its length. So count the number of squares given in this rectangle. How many boxes are there? 10 boxes are there. 10 boxes of 2 lines. So what is the length of this rectangle? 10 boxes. The length of this rectangle is 10 boxes. Now here we have asked color a rectangle made of 20 boxes in some other way. How we have made the groups of 12 and 15? Like that, here we have to color in another ways of 20 boxes in different ways of rectangles. Here one type they have given the color of grey color. We have to make another types of how we can arrange. That I will show you in this grid. See how can we make other two types of rectangles. See, these are the other ways we can make rectangles of using 20 boxes. The first one they have done 2 into 10, 20. That is grey color. Here I have made another type of rectangle, that is using 20 boxes. So first line 4 boxes. In this way 5 horizontal lines I made. So 4 5s are 20. This is another type of rectangle using 20 boxes. How many boxes are there? Total 20. 4 5s are 20. See another one here I have made a red color. 20 boxes of a single line. 1 into 20, 20. So these are the other two types of rectangles we made using these 20 boxes. Now the next question given about this portion is, what is the length and width of the rectangle you colored? Here we have made 3 types of rectangles. One was grey color, the another was yellow, and the third one was red color. So what is the length and width of each rectangle? Length of grey color was 2 into 10. So length is 10 and width is 2 boxes. Length is 10 boxes and width is 2 boxes. The another one we made was yellow color. So length is 5 boxes and width is 4 boxes. And third one we made the red color boxes, red color rectangle. What is the length of that box? Length is 20 boxes and width is 1 box. Now the next question is, how many ways can you color a rectangle of 20 boxes? How many ways we made the rectangles, or how many ways we made using 20 boxes? How many rectangles were there? 3 types. So you write that 3 ways we can make or we can color a rectangle of 20 boxes. Here they said color them all in the grid. We colored and write the length and width of each rectangle you have colored. That also we have done. Now we will move to the next topic in this page, bangles. Now let's read that story given under this topic here. Here the topic which I have downloaded, the textbook have some faults, that missing parts I have typed there. That portion were not in this page, that I have typed, and under this topic also some headings given, it is also wrong, but I have correct, but I will read from the textbook only. Now see what is the story. There are 18 bangles on the road. Meena is trying to group them. She can put them in groups of 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 without any bangles being left. Now, how many groups will she have if she makes groups of 1 bangle each? So, Meena found 18 marbles on the road. She tried to make the groups of different bangles. Using these bangles, she made different groups. Which groups she made? Groups of 2, groups of 3 bangles, groups of 6, 9 and 18. So if she made two groups, how many bangles will be in each group? 2 nines are 18. So 9 bangles will be there in each group. If she made 3 groups using these using these bangles, how many groups will be there? How many bangles will be in each group? 6 bangles. 6 bangles will be in each group. That means 6 threes are 18. See, if like that, if she made 6 bangles in each group or 6 groups, how many bangles will be there in each group? 3 bangles. If she made 9 groups, how many bangles will be there? 2 bangles will be in each group. And if she made 18 groups, how many bangles will be there? 1 bangle. If she is making 18 groups, 1 bangle will be in each group. Here we have asked how many groups will she have if she makes groups of 1 bangle each. Suppose she is making 1 bangle in 1 group, how many group will be there? We know that 1 into 18, 18. So how many groups will be there? 18 groups. Now see, now complete the table for different numbers of bangles. For each number, see what different groups can we make. Instead of 18, if another number of bangles, if you got, how many types of groups can you make? Suppose if it is 24 bangles are there, how many types of groups we can make? First we can make one group of total 24 bangles. Otherwise we can make two groups of 12. Another group also we can make 3 groups. 3 groups 24. So how many? Take the table of 3. 8. 8 bangles will be there. If there are 3 groups, 8 threes are 24. So 4 groups also, a group of 4 bangles in each group. Also take the table of 4. 8 bangles will be there. 8 fours are 24. 6 like that. 6. We can make 6 groups of bangles of 6 bangles of groups, bangles of 8 groups, 12 bangles in each group, or 24 one group also we can make. That means we can say that all these numbers are the factors of 24. Which numbers are there? 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. All these are the factors of 24. Now suppose there are 5 bangles. How many groups we can make? Only 2 groups. 5 bangles of one group, otherwise 5 groups of 1 bangle each. So we can make only 2 groups of 5 bangles. Next one is 9. How many groups we can make? We can first one group we can make complete 9 bangles. Otherwise we can make 3 bangles of 3 groups. And the next one is 9 groups of each bangle in one group. The next number is 7. We can make 2 types of groups. One is 1 group 7 bangles and another one is 7 groups of 1 bangles each. Now number 2. Suppose there are 2 bangles. 2 groups we can make. One is 1 one group of two bangles and another is two groups, one bangles in each. So we can say the 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. Next, if there are 10 bangles, how many groups we can make? 4 groups. Group of 1, group of 2 bangles, group of 5 bangles and group of 10 bangles. So all these numbers are the factors of 10. Next one is 1. If there is only one bangle, we can only make one group. Another one is 20. 20 we already found, but again we will write here. If the number is 20, we can make how many? 6 groups we can make. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So all these numbers are the factors of 20. Now next one is 13. If there are 13 bangles, without remaining, we can make only two groups. One is the whole 13 bangles in one group, otherwise 13 groups of one bangle in each. Next one is 21. 21 we can make 4 types of groups. One group, total 21 bangles in one group, otherwise we can 7 3s are 21. Then 3 groups of 7 bangles, otherwise we can make 7 groups of 3 bangles in each, otherwise we can make 21 groups of each bangles. So we can say whatever the numbers we have filled in these boxes, all these are the factors of the given numbers. So 24, how many factors are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 factors have. 5 having 2 factors, 1 9 5. 9 having 3 factors, 1 3 9. 7 has 1 9 7, 2 factors only. 2 has 1 9 2, 2 factors. 10 has 4 factors, 1 2 5 10. 1 has only 1 factor, so it is a unique number, special number. Now 20 has 1 2 3 4 5 6 factors. 13 has 2 factors. 21 has 4 factors. Find this complete, check these boxes and find how many factors for the given numbers have. From these boxes we observe that some numbers have 2 factors only and some numbers have more than 2 factors. So students, what is the numbers which have 2 factors? The numbers which has only 2 factors, we can say they are prime numbers. What are they? For example, here 5. 5 has only 2 factors. 7 has 2 factors. 13 has 2 factors. 2 also has 2 factors. So 5, 7, 2, 13. These numbers are, we can say, prime numbers. The numbers which has only 2 factors, we can say they are prime numbers. Now see the other numbers that has more than 2 factors. Example 18, 24, then 9, then 10, 20, 21. All these numbers have more than 2 factors. 18 has 6 factors. 24 also have more factors. Like that, 9 has 3 factors. That means more than 2 factors. 10 has 4 factors. 20 has 6 factors. 21 has 4 factors. These numbers we can say composite numbers. That means a number which has that has more than 2 factors, we can say that they are composite numbers. So from this table we found that there are 2 types of factors, that is prime numbers and composite numbers. Now one number is there, it has only 1 factor. So we can say that 1 is not a composite number or it is not a prime number. It is, we can call that special number. 1 is a special number because it has only 1 factor. So 1 is a special number and prime numbers are there, composite numbers are there. Now the next topic we will continue in our next class.